Pairing a Lorex wireless camera to a receiver establishes a secure connection. Start by powering on the camera and entering pairing mode through a button press or the Lorex Home app. Next, access your receiver's menu using an HDMI-connected TV or web interface. Then select Add Device or Pair Camera to begin the process. Now initiate the sync process. The receiver will scan for available cameras and detect yours. Confirm the connection when prompted. Many newer Lorex systems use QR code scanning or Bluetooth Low Energy for pairing, making setup quick and easy. The system automatically assigns a channel, and AES 128 encryption ensures security. Channels in Lorex wireless camera systems are frequency bands or virtual slots that allow multiple cameras to transmit data to the receiver without interfering with each other. Channels work like different lanes on a highway, allowing multiple cameras to send signals simultaneously without crossing paths. Lorex systems automatically assign channels during initial pairing, but manual setup becomes crucial when you experience signal interference from sources like microwaves or neighboring Wi-Fi networks. To manually adjust channels, access your receiver's menu through an HDMI-connected TV or web interface, then navigate to Channel Settings and select the appropriate channel number. For optimal performance, use the Lorex app's diagnostic tools to test signal strength and identify potential interference sources before making adjustments. Firmware updates are essential for resolving sync failures and patching security vulnerabilities. According to a 2025 Lorex survey, nearly half of users neglect these updates, which can lead to security breaches. If pairing fails, first ensure your camera and receiver are within the specified range of 100 to 300 feet line of sight for 2.4 GHz radio frequency. Switching to the 5 GHz frequency band, if your camera supports it, can often resolve connectivity problems by avoiding interference from common household devices. When manually adjusting channels, test different options from CH1 to CH16. Use the app's diagnostics to measure signal strength and avoid channels that may conflict with nearby electronic devices.